Good morning, students. Myself Maipal Singh. Welcome you in Murata English Medium online class teach. Dear students, we will discuss here the topic noun. Before this, I would like to introduce with the parts of speech. What are the parts of speech? In 9th class, this topic parts of speech. In language, we use many words like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, etc. These all things are called parts of speech. These all things are called parts of speech. In parts of speech there are 8 things. In parts of speech there are 8 things. These are 1. Noun. Second is pronoun. Next, third is verb. Next is adverb. Next is conjunction. Next is interjection. Next is preposition and adjective. These all are called parts of speech. These all 8 are called parts of speech. Whenever we converse with anybody, whenever we talk to anybody, then there happens a chance when we use these things, like we use noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, and adjective. These words we ever use in language. So in 9th class, this is the topic parts of speech. So we will discuss alternately one by one in the class. So firstly we will discuss here noun. What is noun? What is noun? We will see here. Definition. Firstly we see definition. What is the definition of noun? So a noun is the name of any person place or thing. A noun is the name of any person, place or thing. It means whatever we see by our naked eye, that all things are noun. Like chair, for example, chair we can see, chair, pen, window, man, car, etc. Whatever we can see by our eyes, that all things are noun. So we will talk about here kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun are there? Kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun are there? So there are 5 kinds of noun. PC, MCA. PC, MCA, it is easy trick to learn. PC, MCA. PC means personal computer, MCA means master in computer application. So PC, MCA. So first P means proper noun. P means proper noun. Next is C. C means common noun. Next is M. M means material noun. Material noun. Next C means collective noun. Collective noun. Next, last one is here A. A means abstractive noun. Abstractive noun. So noun are of 5 types, 5 kinds. First is P, it means proper noun. C, it means common noun. M, it means material noun. Next C, it means collective noun. And A, it means abstractive noun. So these are the 5 kinds of noun. Now we will understand deeply what is proper noun, what is the definition of proper noun, and examples we will discuss here. So let us see these 5 kinds. Dear students, keep in mind that easy to learn, that is PCMCA. PCMCA. So first is proper noun. What is proper noun? What is proper noun? Firstly, definition of proper noun. A noun which is used for a noun which is used for particular person, place or thing. Particular person, place or thing. पर्टिकुलर मीन्स होता है विशेष. जब हम किसी विशेष के बारे में बात करते हैं, किसी एक के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर नाउन. एग्जांपल, Rahul is a good student. Rahul is a good student. In the class, students are so many, but especially, particularly, we are talking about Rahul. Like, Delhi is the capital of Delhi is the capital of India. So If you are talking about the Delhi, this is a city. This is a city. City are so many, but we are talking especially what about Delhi. So particular, it means जब हम किसी विशेष की बात करते हैं, कोई व्यक्ति हो सकता है, that can be any person, any place, anything. So whenever we use the particular person, place or thing, that is called proper noun. Understood? So next is common noun. Common noun. What is common noun? Definition: a noun which is used for commonly to all. Commonly to all. Not a particular person, place or thing. Person, place or thing. Means we use commonly to all. हम सभी के बारे में बात करते हैं. Commonly to all. किसी एक के बारे में बात ना करके हम सभी के बारे में बात करें. Commonly to all means हम सभी के बारे में बात करते हैं. So let us see the example. Cow is gentle animal. Cow is a gentle animal. So we are talking about all the class of animal. हम सभी गाय की बात कर रहे हैं, किसी पर्टिकुलर गाय की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम कॉमनली सभी की बात कर रहे हैं, किसी एक की बात नहीं करेंगे. हाँ, ये गाय जेंटल है, सभी गाय की बात हम करते हैं. लाइक डॉग is a faithful animal. Dog is a faithful animal. So जब हम बात करते हैं डॉग की, डॉग इज ए फेथफुल एनिमल, सो हम सभी डॉग्स की बात कर रहे हैं, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं भाई ये डॉग है, ये बहुत ही फेथफुल है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ऑल. इट मींस ऑल कास्ट व्हेन वी टॉक, दैट इज common noun. So like 7th class students are nice. So we are talking about the all 7th class students, not any particular person, particular students. Okay, so understood is proper noun and common noun. Next is third one. We will discuss here. What is third one? So there were PC, MCA. So PC is completed, M, third is M. It means material noun. Material noun. What is material noun? A noun which is used for metal or substance. Metal or substance. Metal or substance of which things are made. Things are made. A noun which is used for matter or substance. All these things are made. Example: my ring is made of silver. So silver is a metal. Silver is a metal. This chair is made of wood and iron. So wood and iron, these are also metal. So what is metal in noun? A noun which is used for metal or substance of which things are made. So here silver, wood, iron, these are the material noun. Next is C, collective noun. Collective noun. What is collective noun? A noun which is used for group or collection. A noun which is used for group or collection. It means whenever we talk about any group or any collection, so that noun is called collective noun. Example: like I have a bunch of grapes. So bunch of grapes is a collection, is a group. So many grapes are there in a bunch. So that is a group. We were in assembly. So assembly is also a group. So collective noun, a noun which is used for group or collection. So that is called collective noun. Like bunch of grapes, this is group of grapes, bunch of grapes, and here assembly, that is group of persons. So whenever we talk about the group or collection, this is called collective noun. So next we will discuss here the last one is here, that is abstractive noun. See here, last is A and that is fifth one, abstractive noun. What is abstractive noun? We will discuss it here. A noun which is used for action, emotion, or feelings. When we talk about action, emotion, or feelings, these are called abstract noun. It means we can say that the things which we can we can see and feel, but we cannot touch. That things are called abstract noun. Example: he is an intelligent boy. So he is an intelligent boy. So intelligence can we see the intelligence that what color this have? How does it looks like? So it means that we can feel only, but we cannot see or touch. Like he is poor man. So that is a man poor. So poverty, we cannot see what is the color of poverty, and what is the size of poverty. We cannot see. We can only feel. That is called abstract noun. So dear students, this was the topic noun. So that happens of 5 types: PC, MCA, proper noun, common noun, material noun, correct noun, or abstract noun. Now I will give you the notes of this noun. You can get the notes by our Maruda School online class. So you can get the notes also. So thanks for watching, and see you with new topic tomorrow. Bye.